Now we are going to look into a second LOD expression, include LOD. So what is include LOD expression? Um, the official definition is the level of detail expression compute values using the specific dimensions in the addition, whatever the dimensions are in the view. So we will understand what exactly is this. Now the scenario is I would like to see region wise average sales and also customer wise average sales for each region. How it looks like. The first thing I am going to drag and drop region onto the rows, sales onto the columns, and I am changing the view type. Here, what you are seeing, I am going to give the labels. Here I am seeing region wise sales, but I would like to see average. So right click on here, measure sum, go to average. So I got each region wise sales, each region wise average sales. But I want to see each region wise customer wise average sales. So how we are going to achieve this? Now I am going to drag and drop region wise sales. I'm just giving I'm going to more detail level. So here it is average sales, I'm making it as average. So this is what we achieved in this bar graph. Now I would like to see region wise customer wise average sales. I have a region, in that region there are so many customers. Now I got each region wise different customers with along with their average sales. For example, for consider here I am going to look into that south region. What is the value? 241.80. Now I am going to take a region as a filter. I am making it as south. Instead of all, I am going to take south. Apply. Okay. So after getting all the data, region south level, what are the customers and what is the average sales? Average of each customer sales. Now I want to see the total of this. Go to analysis menu, totals, add all subtotals. So what I'm achieving here, 242. That means it's a rounding off 241.80. It is rounding off 242. But what it is exactly, this is the average sales of south region. But I want to see at customer wise, overall customer region wise, overall customer level average sales. To get this, go to analysis menu, totals. Here there is another one, total all using average. So what I'm getting? 232. But region level it is 242. And when it comes to the same region with respect to the customer wise, it is 232. So to get all these kind of information, we have to do all these calculations in a single view. It is very difficult to do that. So to achieve this 232 with respect to the customer level average sales, we are going to use include LOD. So if you observe why this is 232 is got, if you take this data, take this data into Excel and make it average of this, make it average of all this, you will get it 232. So I'm going back to sheet number 106. Here I want to add average sales with respect to the customer level. So I'm going to create one more calculated field. I'm going to take it as include LOD. So what is the syntax is flowery braces, and the keyword is include. I'm going to calculate at customer level. So I'm taking at customer name. My aggregation function is average of sales, and close the aggregation and close the LOD. So what my official definition is showing here, the level of detail expression computes values using the specific dimensions. In addition, whatever dimensions are in the view. That means if there is a region also there, but it won't along with the region, it is taking customer name wise, because the customer name is not available in the view, but we are calculating at customer name level. This is called, it includes specified dimensions. In addition, whatever dimensions are in the view. So values using specific dimensions. What is the specific dimensions? Customer name wise. In addition to the dimensions in the view. Apart from that, apart from the region, we are calculating the customer name level. Click on OK. Drag and drop. This include LOD expression beside the average sales. And by default, it is giving aggregations as sum. So right click on here, change it to measure sum to average. Now you can see what we have considered. For south region, it was 242, and in the south region with respect to the customer level, it was 232. This is called the fixed include LOD. So here what we are going to achieve this number, and we got it through include LOD.